The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a popular action camera that has been widely used by professional photographers and videographers. It is a versatile and compact camera that captures stunning high-resolution images and videos. With its advanced features and capabilities, it is considered one of the best action cameras in the market. In this video, we will explore the features and capabilities of the DJI Osmo Action 3. Let's get started. Design and build. The DJI Osmo Action 3 has a sleek rectangular design with rounded edges, giving it a modern and stylish appearance. The camera measures 65 x 42 x 35 millimeters and weighs 124 grams, making it compact and lightweight. It is built with a durable, waterproof body that can withstand water up to 11 meters deep without requiring an additional waterproof housing. The camera is also shockproof and dustproof, making it suitable for use in rugged environments. One of the unique features of the DJI Osmo Action 3 is its dual-screen design. The camera has a 2.25-inch touchscreen on the back and a 1.4-inch color front screen that allows users to frame shots while taking selfies or filming vlogs. The front screen also displays the camera settings and battery level, making it easy to monitor the camera's status. Video quality. The DJI Osmo Action 3 boasts impressive video capabilities, including 4K recording at 60 fps and 1080p recording at 240 fps. The camera features an advanced electronic image stabilization system that helps to reduce camera shake and produce smooth, clear footage. The camera also supports HDR video, which enhances the dynamic range and color depth of the footage. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Action 3 is its rock-steady technology, which provides advanced stabilization even in the most challenging conditions. This technology uses a combination of electronic image stabilization and complex algorithms to produce smooth and stable footage. The camera also has a wide-angle lens with a 145-degree field of view that allows users to capture panoramic shots and immersive footage. Waterproof and shockproof. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Action 3 is its waterproof and shockproof capabilities. The camera is waterproof up to 11 meters and can withstand falls from up to 1.5 meters. This makes it ideal for use in challenging environments, such as water sports or extreme sports. The camera also features a hydrophobic coating that repels water and prevents droplets from sticking to the lens. This ensures that the camera captures clear and sharp footage, even when submerged in water. Additional features. The DJI Osmo Action 3 offers a range of additional features that make it a versatile and powerful action camera. The camera has a voice control system that allows users to control the camera using voice commands, making it easy to operate hands-free. The camera also has a quick switch button that allows users to switch between camera modes quickly. The camera supports time-lapse recording, allowing users to capture footage over extended periods. The camera can be set to capture footage at intervals of 0.5, 1, 2, 5, 10, 30, or 60 seconds. The camera also has a custom exposure setting, which allows users to adjust the exposure settings manually to achieve the desired effect. The DJI Osmo Action 3 comes with a range of accessories that make it easy to mount the camera in various positions. The camera includes a mounting frame that can be used to attach the camera to helmets, bicycles, or other equipment. The camera also comes with a range of adhesive mounts and straps, making it easy to mount the camera on any surface. User interface and modes. The DJI Osmo Action 3 has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. The camera features several shooting modes, including photo, video, slow motion, and time-lapse. The camera also has a custom mode that allows users to save their preferred settings for quick access. The camera also features a voice control mode that allows users to control the camera using voice commands. This is particularly useful when the user's hands are occupied or when the camera is out of reach. The camera also has a quick switch button that allows users to switch between different shooting modes quickly. The camera also features a selfie mode that activates the front screen, making it easier to capture selfies and vlogs. Battery life. The The DJI Osmo Action 3 has a built-in battery that provides up to 135 minutes of continuous recording when shooting in 1080 at 30fps. When shooting in 4K at 60fps, the battery life is reduced to around 70 minutes. The camera also supports quick charging, allowing users to charge the battery in approximately 90 minutes. Connectivity. The DJI Osmo Action 3 features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to easily connect the camera to their smartphones or tablets. This makes it easy to transfer images and videos to a mobile device for editing and sharing. The camera also supports live streaming, allowing users to stream their footage directly to social media platforms such as Facebook and YouTube. The camera also has a GPS module that allows users to geotag their images and videos. This is particularly useful for outdoor activities, such as hiking and biking, where users may want to track their location and route. Accessories. The DJI Osmo Action 3 comes with several accessories that enhance its functionality and versatility. The camera comes with a frame mount that allows users to attach the camera to various mounts and accessories. The camera also comes with a flat adhesive mount, a curved adhesive mount, and a quick-release base that allow users to mount the camera to helmets, handlebars, and other surfaces. The camera also has several optional accessories, such as a waterproof case, a floating handle, and a camera cage. The waterproof case allows users to take the camera underwater, while the floating handle prevents the camera from sinking in water. The camera cage is a protective frame that enhances the camera's durability and protects it from damage. Comparison with competitors. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a high-end action camera that competes with other leading brands in this market, such as while the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a standout camera in its own right, it's important to compare it with its competitors in the action camera market. One of the most popular competitors is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Design-wise, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is similar to the DJI Osmo Action 3 with a rectangular design, but it has a slightly larger 2.27-inch touchscreen on the back and a 1.4-inch color front screen. The camera is also built with a durable, waterproof body that can withstand water up to 10 meters deep without requiring an additional waterproof housing. In terms of video quality, the GoPro Hero 9 Black can shoot in 5K at 30fps, which is a higher resolution than the DJI Osmo Action 3. The camera also has an advanced HyperSmooth 3.0 stabilization system that provides smooth and stable footage. However, the DJI Osmo Action 3's rock-steady technology is still highly regarded for its ability to stabilize footage even in the most challenging conditions. The GoPro Hero 9 Black also has a range of additional features, including voice control, time-lapse recording, and a removable lens cover that allows users to swap out different lens filters. The camera also has a built-in mounting system that allows users to easily attach the camera to various accessories without requiring an additional mounting frame. When it comes to battery life, the GoPro Hero 9 Black has a slightly longer battery life than the DJI Osmo Action 3, providing up to 140 minutes of continuous recording when shooting in 1080 at 30fps. However, like the DJI Osmo Action 3, the battery life is reduced when shooting in higher resolutions and frame rates. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 3 and the GoPro Hero 9 Black are both highly capable action cameras with similar features and capabilities. However, the DJI Osmo Action 3's dual-screen design and rock-steady technology make it a unique and compelling option for those looking for a high-quality action camera. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a premium action camera that offers advanced features and capabilities. Its sleek design, dual-screen design, and rock-steady technology make it a standout camera in the action camera market. The camera's video quality and range of additional features make it a versatile and powerful tool for capturing immersive footage in a variety of environments. While there are other highly regarded action cameras on the market, the DJI Osmo Action 3's unique features and capabilities make it a compelling option for those in the market for a high-quality action camera. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an adventure enthusiast, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a camera that can help you capture stunning footage that truly captures the moment. If you found the video valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of the upcoming tech videos.